Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel SP Leo and welcome to the ultimate guide to the latest classy and comfortable shoes. In this video, we will take you through the latest trends, styles and technologies in the comfortable shoes. Whether you are looking for a pair of shoes to wear to work or special occasion or just for everyday comfort, we got you covered here in this beautiful collection which you are watching. So guys, if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe SPLEO channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of every new uploads. It's very important to be the part of my family, and SPLEO is always here to serve you, to provide you different latest trending designs, fashion and comfortable guideline regarding different shoes and make your shopping easy, and to inform you about all latest trends whatever are going on in shoe industry. So guys, when we are talking about the comfortable shoes, the world of comfortable shoe is constantly evolving with new trends and styles emerging every season. Here are some of the latest trend in comfortable shoes what I am sharing in this video. See different latest designs and styles. These are not only comfortable but these are very stylish, eye-catching and stunning shoes. Guys, if you are new here in my channel and you're watching this video for the first time, and if you like these all different designs and styles, besides subscribing my channel, please thumbs up for this video. It's your gesture which is very encouraging for myself to keep me more energetic and bring new designs every day for yourself to share. And you can share this video with your near one or the dear one, or in your friend circle as much as you can. Okay guys, when we are talking about the latest trends in comfortable shoes what you are watching here, it's very important to know something about the material, which sort of material you have to select at the time of purchase. Keep in mind that eco-friendly material and production methods are becoming increasingly popular in the world of comfortable shoes, so it's very important and it's very easy to select at this time eco-friendly material shoes. Then of course comfortable heels, it's very important because heel is one of the feature of shoes which can make your personality very different and stylish, that can increase body in your walk also. So high heels are getting a comfortable makeover with brands like you see incorporating cushioning and R sport, and then soft breathable materials are going to be used to make the customers more comfort in selecting their such type of shoes. Then we are talking about the statement shoes. Bold, eye-catching shoes are making a statement with vibrant colors, unique designs, and innovating material. These innovative materials are very attractive nowadays because these are food friendly, environment friendly, and these are very durable as well. Guys, if you like these all different designs and styles and you want to know more about these footwear and you want to ask something, first you have to keep in touch with this video. I am sure that you will find the answer of your question easily in this particular collection. But still, if you have something in your mind to ask, then you feel free to share your comment in the comment section, that is open for yourself. I know that most of the people are interested to know that from where we can buy, how can we make it the part of our wardrobe. It is a mostly asked question. Then to make it easy, SPLEO channel is always there to not only show you a different footwear, but proper guideline is going to be given here in this video or in all videos. You see that how to purchase. For that sake, there is a description box in the video, and you will find the links of different footwear are given here. And when you will click on any one of the link which is given in the description box, you will be directed to that site through which you can order one of the pair for yourself easily. Okay guys, here is one of another very important thing I want to share with you all, that most of the people are trying to follow me. It's not bad, but they are trying to cheat me, and they are doing copy of my material, and even they copy my thumbnails. So please first see that if anybody is going to do this, it's not good. Everybody should have to be the brand in his or her personality. Don't try to follow others. Yes, you can take the guideline, but exactly 100% if you are copying the other person, it's not good. So please keep yourself away of this such type of activity. Okay guys, we are talking about some of the benefits of selecting comfortable shoes for yourself. So for that sake, if you have selected the right very comfortable shoe for yourself, it is a source to reduce foot pain, and this is one of the best feature which can help reduce foot pain and discomfort. Second thing is that comfortable shoes can improve your posture also. This is a very demanding and important feature. Then it can increase the energy also. Comfortable shoes can help increase your energy level and reduce fatigue, and then you can perform well at workplace. After then, better foot health, it's very important. Wearing comfortable shoes can help prevent foot problems such as any sort of discomfort and any type of pain in heel or any sort of other things what you are suffering. Then comfortable shoe can reduce, and even this is something which is helpful to maintain the health of your or improve the health of your feet. Okay, now there is a question that different type of footwear. What sort of footwear we have to purchase? The number of different footwear are available in the market: sneakers, sandals, loafers, and boots. Whatever are according to your personality, or whatever you want to choose at different activities and different occasions, you can purchase any one for yourself. Now there is a thing that how to choose the right comfortable shoes for yourself, and how can we make our decision right. So for that sake, it's very important to know, first thing, that consider your foot type. It's very important. Different foot types require different types of shoes. Second thing is that you, before selecting a shoe, think about your lifestyle. Consider your daily activities and choose shoes that are suitable for your activities. Then the next very important is that look for comfort features. It's very important. You see that what sort of comfortable feature you need, you have to see in that footwear. And after then, read reviews when you are purchasing anything online. It's very important. Then of course the shoe which are important for different activities, that is for running purpose, different shoes are selected. Then hiking, dress shoes, and athletic shoes, these all are differently designed for your activities, keeping in mind the requirement of the activities. Then when we're talking about the upcoming features, whatever are coming in comfortable shoes, or even the stunning and eye-catching and trendy and fashionable shoes, different sort of different things are applied to make your need fulfilled in these footwear. And of course then comfortable shoes are going to be designed according to the foot type. For example, for flat feet different shoes are there, high arch feet are there, then wide feet and narrow feet. So you have to understand that what sort of feet you have, and then you have to select the right pair according to the shape of your feet. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this all design and style and information what I am sharing here. So it's very important that comfortable shoes are a must have for everyone looking to improve their overall health and well-being. With so many different types of comfortable shoes available, there's something for everyone. By following the tips and guidelines outlined in this video, and through this video you can now find a perfect pair for yourself. And you have to keep in touch with this channel for more information, for more collections. So for that sake, make it viral this particular collection, so that everyone from this particular world come to know that SPDO channel is not only there to serve you people, to show different sort of footwear and introduce different footwear designs which are inside of the industry, but also providing an informative guideline so that you can select the right pair from even when you are purchasing from your locality nearby of your any store. So these some kind of tips and tricks and information and guideline can help you to select the right pair for yourself. And of course, if you are interested to purchase online, then it's very easy, you can do that also. So go ahead, and if you want to upgrade your wardrobe at this time, you can do it easily. So guys, keep in touch with this video and for all different videos what I'm sharing in my channel, and keep enjoying. Thank you so very much. Take care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.